When my uncles work at Kaiser, they said there's a lot of burning. A lot of
burn patients.
Yeah.
Oh God, is he working right now? Well, hopefully the mist and the fog is coming in, so like maybe it wants to go this way, not there. Well, fog has moisture. Oh my God. Oh my God, that house is on fire, that pink one. Oh,
yeah.
Oh my God.
Got through the roof.
Oh my God.
Because of the tile roof.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, we just saw it up. We saw the what's the I was pretty sure it was a winning. Yeah. I'm on. I don't know how many cups on that big ass.
Hello? Can you see it on the news yet? Yeah, so yeah, he came right over and basically right over.
It was an explosion, natural gas explosion.
Oh, great. PG&E can't find the gas line on their maps.
Well, at least no one from the plane died. PG&E can't find the gas main? That's fantastic.
No, they don't even know the gas line exists on the maps.
It's probably a hell of houses are 50s, probably. Freaking San Bruno.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's
Well, that's when they were in Harden, and by Tamfrian, they drilled into the electricity box, and they're like, oh, we didn't know it was there, and the power went out, and then they did it again. They did it like 2 or 3 times.
Only the people that don't park.
Yeah.
Well, they said they shook all these houses. Yeah, but we didn't feel. Yeah, my right down there, she's in Crestmore. She said it felt like an earthquake. Like how shook. A girl right here said they felt. Yeah, we didn't feel it.
A guy here's got a friend at Kaiser. He's San Bruno.
Burn victims coming to Kaiser. Look, they got more water there coming out now.
Oh,
is that water?
Yeah, they've got another truck. Now they've finally pulled down
Oh
that
my
tree.
God, it keeps.
Now that the houses are on fire.
Oh Lord.
Dead.
It's getting closer.
Yeah. Oh, here he's coming down again. He's coming over. Here he comes. Look. Tell my dad to come down. He's going. Yeah, me too. He's going in. Here he goes.
They're trying to stop it. They're trying to put a break in.
They're trying to so it spread that way. Wow, that was cool.
Yeah, they're trying to put a break in to keep it from hitting those trees and getting Jackies out.
Oh my God. Did you get a hold of Cherise? Shelter Creek. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I've been trying to get a hold of him. This guy right down, these might be him. He works in that. Oh, so he's not gas, though. He's not like showing it from the air. Hello.
All right.
Mom,
Give me a call.
have you talked to Dad? Yeah, I can't get a hold of him.
Do you see the Bronco?
Look, he's moved.
You see it?
He switched that over there. He's like, forget it.
Yeah, all right. She said,
Maya, okay? Oh my God, it's going from there.
I don't think so either, but still. Shut off everything. Shut everything
off. It's not on
off.
their map. They think it's something like a power generation or something old.
Oh wow.
I don't know. It's not on their
I
maps.
know. We just drove like that. I know. It's freaking scary. Okay. Where do they fill up to? Where do they get returned from?
They have to go around here. It's a good question.
I know, now it is. And then look, it's all coming here now.
If they have some.
God. Oh my God.
There's a possibility it come before the skyline. Those houses over there.
Those helicopters only made one run. Now they've got some water going down here.
Oh Lord, look at that. Look, it's like
maybe they
natural
needed
disaster.
trucks from somewhere else.
Well, there's 2 fire departments in San Bruno, so.
But look at the volume of water they're pumping down there.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure they had daily cities.
Well, they've got the airport. They've got the airport up in the Nardies. The airport trucks are up there. Oh, here he comes.
I know.
That's how long it takes him to do a turnaround.
Oh, look at the house went down.
Oh, what house?
That house right there, the white one that was up and went down.
I know the big boy.
Sideways
right
now.
Oh,
that's sad.
That's where he's sucking up the water from. Hey, where are you guys?
Call my dad.
Okay, good.
Oh my god, it's still burning. It's burning some more.
4 or 5 blocks.
Hello?
They think it's a gas.
That's the what? That's not really
We're watching. You should come look and tell us.
But they don't know where it's coming from. They said
We're right by Church of the Highlands on Monterey.
Huge planes are flying over us. We're standing at
What?
Church of the Highlands like Monterey.
What?
I know it.
But you're on the other side of the street, so it's still not on your side yet.
Yes,
It's still not on your side.
My dad thinks I said
The other side of the
Treasure
street, like
Island.
Princeton, it's not there yet. So, and they're putting a fire break, so I
Dad.
think they're trying to control it.
Come over to the church. Come to the church. You can see the planes.
God. Oh my god, it's
All they're doing is trying to contain
Dad, we're at
closer
the
there.
church.
Yeah, they're dumping over there, and he's dumping
What?
over there.
Lord.
trying to keep it from going.
Oh my god, it's still some more.
Melissa's saying that they're having a lot of figuring out, and like it's just gonna get bigger and bigger. This is their saying. And it is like, these houses are small.
He said, fucking Treasure Island. I said, I'm at Church of the Highlands. He's like, Treasure Island. I'm like, what?
I just talked to him like 10 minutes ago.
We're on Treasure Island.
It's like yelling at me.
Yeah, so they're trying to block, he's supposed to block it there, and then they're dropping the target there.
Yeah, they're trying to contain it to those 5 small blocks.
Yeah, my sister said on the like they said they're having a look at the whole time fighting it, and then that it's even fighting it, they're having.
Why don't they
It's
turn
just
off
gonna get
everything? Turn off
Yeah, exactly,
everything.
that's what I say. But
You know?
they can't
Yeah,
find
Santa
the...
They can't find the hub, they can't find the pipe.
Oh my god. No, it's not. It's just everything.
It's probably
He's
hella
back over there
old.
again. He's back over there again.
Go talk to my dad.
Yes, and famous husband. That's what they're trying to do. So they've got left, right, and they've got the touchdown here and stuff. And I guess that was the valley, so it's hard to
Shelby's family.
Shelmy?
Yes. Auntie's house is burning right now.
Oh my god.
We were on our way home and we just parked.
We're like,
Oh my god, it's
really
like...
exaggerating. We're like,
It's like moving towards the left more now.
Shelby called it.
Yeah.
It is a plane crash.
Well, my dad said something.
They said it was natural gas, but it was a plane crash because
The plane crash set it up.
my friend's family lives there.
And they saw an airplane
Yes.
because the airport says no plane misses, but it's somebody flying over here that they don't know about.
It might be one
Probably coming in.
Uh-huh.
I told you, right? Watch.
The camera guy.
So people are saying now, one of the residents of my friend's auntie that lives there, her house is burning. They said it was a plane.
Oh, really?
Now they said it's
The
a plane.
news said it's a natural gas explosion.
Eyewitness.
That lives there.
wait, what just happened?
Said it was a plane.
Well, a girl who lives right here said she saw a plane crash.
And my
So
brother
she
heard
said she
it.
saw it.
It was a plane.
The plane.
And that would explain why the black government cars are
Up where all those people are?
NTSB or FBI or something.
So, I mean, airport's confirming that there is no missing plane. Probably somewhere coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be from SFO.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be massive.
But I guess it's a guy flying in that didn't do a flight thing from
Right, both, yeah.
somewhere else, a small plane. Because see, they're the ones that I hear coming over here all the time anyway.
Why is it still burning? You know what I mean? Why is it still burning?
So there's a black car over there.
There's a whole bunch. There's half a dozen black Suburbans in Lenardi's
So it
park.
could be like somebody in a plane, a private plane?
Maybe it's NTSB.
Yeah, but they wouldn't.
It
The
certainly
private
would.
plane's not going to burn that much. No way.
But if they hit a